Hi, my name is Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make burgers. I like to keep my burgers simple. So here I have 2 pounds of ground beef, salt, pepper, garlic paste, and my secret ingredient, butter. Here I'm going to put some salt, some pepper, and some garlic paste. And then you gotta mix it. Before I told you about my secret ingredient, butter. Well, now I'm gonna teach you how to use it. So you're gonna cut your butter into thin strips before you put it in your patty. Here I'm making my patties. Try to make them nice and round. Using your thumb, you're going to make a hole in the center of the burger and put a piece of butter inside. And then you're going to wrap it. Now we're going to sear the burgers. When we sear the burgers, it's going to cook the outside, not the inside. Cook it 2 minutes per side. Here we go, the burgers are all seared and now they're going to go in the oven for 13 minutes. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. The burgers are in the oven and now I'm going to cut my toppings. Tomatoes, onions, and I already have my lettuce mix. Onions are cut, so I'm going to finish off my tomato. We have 1 minute left for our burgers, so now we're going to toast our buns. Now my burgers are fresh out of the oven. Now you have to let them sit for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to plate my burger. I like to put a toothpick in my burger to keep it still. Time to eat. I'm hungry.